How to open a PDF in WhatsApp Wave. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to open WhatsApp Wave and go to the chat where the PDF file is shared. Now you can click on the PDF to start downloading it. There are the two options. You can either open or you can simply save this PDF. Right now, let's open the PDF and click on OK button. So depending upon your device, there might be different option. So if you don't get the option of download, you might get the option for open and save as. So if there is download button on your PDF file, you can simply click on it and make sure to download the PDF file. And after that, you can simply right click on the saved PDF folder and you can click on open button and open the PDF as well. And as you can see that we have successfully opened a PDF in WhatsApp Wave as well. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe.